Welcome back. Let's go and explore Fishguard Fort. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the fascinating history of Fishguard Fort, a coastal stronghold with a rich past. Join us as we explore its origins, its role in defending the Welsh coast, and the stories that have shaped this historic site. Located in the picturesque town of Fishguard in Pembrokeshire, Wales, this fort has stood the test of time and has a history that dates back over 2 centuries. Let's step back in time and uncover the story of this remarkable fortress. Fishguard Fort was constructed in the late 18th century, during a time of great turmoil and conflict. The year was 1779, and Britain was embroiled in the American Revolutionary War. With the threat of French and Spanish naval forces looming, the British government decided to bolster coastal defences. Fishguard, with its strategic position overlooking the Irish Sea, was chosen as a key location. The fort was designed to protect Fishguard Bay from potential invaders. It was equipped with 8 cannons and manned by local militia. The construction was completed in 1781, and it quickly became an essential part of the coastal defence network. One of the most notable events in Fishguard Fort's history took place in 1797, during the last invasion of Britain. A French force, led by General Tate, landed near Fishguard, with the intent to incite rebellion and weaken British defences. However, the local militia, along with the residents of Fishguard, mounted a robust defence. Although the fort itself did not see direct combat, its presence was a deterrent, and the invaders were quickly surrounded. Legend has it that the French mistook local women dressed in traditional Welsh attire for British soldiers and surrendered in fear of being outnumbered. This event, known as the Battle of Fishguard, ended with the French surrendering after just 2 days. It's a testament to the resilience and bravery of the local people, and Fishguard Fort played a crucial supporting role in this unexpected victory. Over the years, Fishguard Fort continued to serve as a coastal defence post. It saw upgrades and modifications, particularly during the Napoleonic Wars and later conflicts. However, as military technology advanced, the fort's strategic importance diminished, and it eventually fell into disuse. Today, Fishguard Fort stands as a historical monument, offering visitors a glimpse into the past. It's a peaceful place where you can reflect on the history that shaped this region and appreciate the stunning views of Fishguard Bay. Fishguard Fort is a symbol of resilience and a reminder of the turbulent times that once swept through this coastal town. If you ever find yourself in Pembrokeshire, it's well worth a visit to explore this remarkable piece of history. If you have any questions or comments about Fishguard Fort, drop them below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining us on this historical journey. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating stories from history. Until next time, take care and keep exploring. And that was it. Fishguard Fort.